If you are unable to update Windows 11 due to error code 0x80240437, start by opening Services from the Windows search box. Find Windows Update, double-click it, set Startup Type to Automatic, click Apply, Start, and then restart the service. Do the same for Background Intelligent Transfer Service and App Readiness. Next, go to Windows Update Settings, pause updates, then resume updates and try again. If it still doesn't work, open Command Prompt as administrator and run the 3 provided scan commands one by one. Wait for each scan to complete, then restart your computer. If the error persists, manually download the update from the Microsoft Update Catalog. Check your Windows version using WinVer and verify your system type from About Settings. Download the correct update version and install it manually, then restart your PC. You can also go to Windows Settings, Windows Update, Advanced Options, Recovery, fix problems using Windows Update, and click Reinstall. This will reinstall your current Windows version without deleting your files. As a final step, use the Media Creation tool from the Microsoft website. Download the tool, create an ISO file, run the setup, and select the option to keep personal files and apps before installing. One of these methods should fix the update error successfully. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel.